As a technical coordinator, we at Eurecat Technology Center play a key role for the successful integration of all the technological components. Sharework is a complex, multidisciplinary project with many different technical contributions that need to be combined as a whole in 4 different industrial scenarios. Additionally, the Robotics and Automation Group of Eurecat leads the Perception Work Package and contributes by developing a human tracking system. By using several cameras in the environment, this system is able to estimate and track the 3D location and body posture of all the workers in the scene. Afterwards, this tracking information, together with information from the workspace cognition module, is processed by an AI-based algorithm to identify the movement of each worker. This allows the system to understand the manufacturing task that the worker is performing. The robot will then be able to predict the next movement of the worker, and this information will be used by other partners to make decisions on the planning of the robot.